Hey guys, and welcome back to this crazy awesome adventure that is my life in the 74 Beetle project. Guys, I want to show you where I'm at. Since I last left you guys off, all the CV joints are taken apart. We have to figure out how to put them back together. Then we're going to grease them. That's where we're at right now. I have some more PR15 coating on this part of the frame and the part of the frame that holds up the engine. Some spots have not been hit yet, only because I ran out of certain supplies, or it's on the jacks right now, it's in the way. But the goal is to use this tap and die set to try to recut these threads, what's left of them. If I can't recut certain threads, we're just going to put through bolts in them. The CV axles and putting them all back together, that's the goal for this week on the project, guys. And then after that, we're going to try to reassemble this rear end so we can at least try to drive the bug. That's the goal, guys. Alright, thank you for coming back to the channel. Got the moly, son. I might get greasy, but it is what it is. We're gonna get this done. I really don't know how to put these back together. We're just trying to figure it out. Oh, got it. No shit. I got it. It's back together. Huh. That was weird. Feels right, kind of. That one's done. Call this done for now. See that? They're back in. They move. They're not, I mean, they're not binding up. They need more grease, obviously, but I feel like it's gonna work. So that's confident. I mean, enough for now. You know what I'm saying? So I guess you just gotta pop them in and just you gotta wiggle them around until you get them all in. You just gotta sit here and play with it for a minute. Spin it, pop it around, and then just push it in, and it goes. I don't know if there's an actual technique to do it, but I got them in, so that counts for me. I'll go to the next one. Put this back in this bag. Guess we're gonna continue to the passenger axle side. I'm gonna put this one inside out. Some of these were scored up more than the other ones. So before putting them together, make sure you take the moly grease and just lube up these channels right here, because it was getting stuck if you don't lube it up ahead of time. Plus, anything you do, you're supposed to pre-lube the driver's side axle, and I'm pretty sure this is the one that had the ball that was heated up. It's either this one or the other part. So the 1CV axle that I took apart, guys, the balls, all the balls are pretty good except one. It seemed like during its life it heated up way too hot. But for the time being, this is a budget build, and we are gonna live with it. So again, the same process again, guys. Lubricate everything. Take it easy, one ball at a time. You will figure it out. I've figured it out, and I've never did these before, guys. So just take your time, you'll get it. If you get frustrated, walk away for a second and come back, because they will go together. So do not be worried, especially if you're rebuilding them at your first time. I'm greasy, I can't touch the camera right now. I'm gonna wipe off. I don't put you guys in time lapse.